Hey everybody, what's good? It's your boy Eddie back again with another video. Bro, get out of here, Bro, look, it's facing me. Anyways, what's up TRD fam? How y'all doing? I hope y'all having a beautiful day, beautiful night, whatever it is. I'm on my way to a last minute meet. It's the Organs meet in Huntington Beach. And low-key, it's an hour away from me. And shit, bro. Low-key, I gotta start dipping now. And the homie George is gonna accompany me. And he's getting all ready, dressed up right now. But yeah, should be a dope ass night. Dope ass cars. And you should probably get going because I know there's gonna be hella traffic. But yeah, let's get this cold start. Not cold start, but yeah, I warmed it up already. It's not loud. So guys, we gotta change the plans. George didn't end up coming with us because he just didn't want to. Like, he felt forced, like if I was bringing him, but nah, that wasn't the case. You know, I gave him the option if he wanted to come or not, and he didn't want to, and that's cool. You know, I ain't tripping. But I'm on the freeway right now, so I don't know if you guys can hear me. That's why it's so windy. That's why I'm screaming. But there's a couple of Mustangs that I feel like are going to the meet too, but I don't know. We'll see. Look what we got here, y'all. Look what we got here, y'all. Jeez. Today, a lot of everything. No crap. I'm looking for parking, but I think it's gonna be very hard to find parking right now because it's so packed. So packed. Yeah, like I said, bro, I knew I was never gonna get parking here. No type of parking. This is why I knew I should have came earlier. It's all good though. There's a lot of nice cars though. Like I said, bro, it's a whole lot of everything. Had to park mine all the way over here because it was over there. But let's fucking get it. Jeez, we got a whole beamer scene over here. Jeez. This one hard. God damn. I want one of these too, just to drift in. Hey, got the homie over here, got the homies over here with their Camrys. They need to chill. They need to come with this. Got them nice whips and cream. Look at them, they ain't playing. Okay. Okay. And a host of events. Yo, these Teslas ain't playing. Holy shit. These Teslas are not playing. I need me a Tesla. Damn, look at these asses. We got a GTR Supra. Okay. This is hard, bro. This FRS. I told my sister to get one of these, bro, so she could do something like this. And this S13. Man, this paint is nice. Yeah, paint. Sounds very stock though. It's pretty lit though. No cop. Yo, what's up guys? Obviously it's a whole different ass day. It's a Monday from the last time I picked up the camera. And I came to Swami to get some stickers done. Like, I want to redo my YouTube and Instagram one just to get them a little bigger and make it fit a little proper on the camera. I mean on the window. But yeah, I was supposed to pick them up yesterday, but the guy messed up on them. There was a lot of miscommunication, I guess, and yeah, now I'm here to pick them up. Hopefully he got them done and they're right, and yeah, let's go pick these up. Yes, I got new stickers. because I wanted to get rid of the other ones and get this one. But the problem is that these are too big for those little back windows right there. I thought this would have been kind of like the size. I should have done 8 inches instead of 10 inches. It would have fit, but we're gonna try to make it fit somehow. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna try to make it fit somehow. We'll see. We'll see how this works. Guys, remember how I told you guys about the stickers? Yeah. So I kind of did a little Mickey Mouse thing. So I actually just cut it. I thought of this after I cut it, so that's why it's like this, because I was like, I should have just left it instead of cutting it, but I cut it, and oh well, because I didn't like how it just showed that little piece. I kind of wanted the whole thing. The Instagram's fine, but not this one, the YouTube. But it's not too shabby. It doesn't look too bad, just besides this little Mickey Mouse thing. But my mistake, and it's okay because I somehow made it work. Also on that side, that other side's different because it comes out the other way. So look, this side it's like this, and watch the other side. The other side came out. Obviously the YouTube side is on this side, not over here close to this side. Same thing with the Instagram. I cut the Instagram because that one's better, but you get the dealio. Let's see. See if I can grab it. There you go, grab the piece. Nope, still not sticking. Yeah, that piece is still not sticking. I don't know why. I got it. Jeez, bro, that looks sick. It looks good. It came out good, surprisingly. It's bigger before. Wow. Holy shit, I actually like it, bro. It looks sick. It looks sick. And it's the same font that I have on this one, of course. But now it's more sick. Yeah, we are back in the garage. You probably think I never left, but yeah, it's been like hours. But something came in the mail for me that I had ordered probably a week ago, and it came in today, and I ordered a throttle body spacer from Grocery Getter Performance. It's on Instagram. Go check them out. They basically made throttle body spacers to get rid of the throttle response lag that it has. And yeah, it's basically supposed to go right behind this right here. And yeah, but I want to see how much clearance it even give it, dude, because it's pretty thick. So I don't know if it'll give it space for this to fit. You feel me? Like, I don't know how it's gonna work. We'll see. A couple hours. I was waiting for my dad too, because he had the extra tools in his truck. And as you guys can hear, my car is running, and I do have it installed. The little clinky noise, I have no idea what it is. It's always been making that for like a while. I think since I first got it, even too. But yes, sir, that's a throttle body spacer. Apparently, it's supposed to get rid of the that lag when you step on it. So we're about to see. And I'm not gonna use the pedal command. The pedal command is gonna be off, and we're gonna see how it is. We're gonna see how it feels. Let's see any no check engine lights on, nothing. We are good. I'm in regular mode. I am not in sport mode, nothing like that, just regular. And I barely made my intake fit as well, because it is too long, like, so I don't even know if my intake is even at its best right now. We're gonna go into sport mode. Drop it. I'm just trying to see how this performs. I'm also trying to see how my intake will hold up, because like I said, like, it barely fit. Like, I made it fit. Like, I squeezed the shit out of it, so hopefully, like, when I step on it, it doesn't pop out or anything like that, you know? Let's just hope not. On sport mode, I definitely do not feel the lag, like, at all. Okay, I felt that. Okay, in sport mode, I definitely feel it. In just regular, I feel it like very little. I do understand what he means when he means like the throttle lag. Like when I step on it, like I'll get like a lag. But look, see, instant response. I don't even have my pedal commander on, nothing. Like instant response I'm getting. But I'm gonna show you, bro. Like I get instant response. Like usually when you step on it, it takes a while to catch up and lag on you, but instant response. Pedal commander is off everything. I'm just literally in second gear with the paddle shifters, and you will see right now. Here, let's even just put it in regular, just in regular, you know what? Just so you guys can see that how it responds quick. Look, responsive. Spacer, it makes a little difference. I definitely feel it when I step on it, like no cap. And that's with the pedal commander off. And you guys know I needed the pedal commander for the throttle response. You guys knew that. Because my shit was lagging. That's what the pedal commander was for. But now that Grocery Getter Performance, they made this throttle body spacer for typically the Camrys, the 6-cylinder and the 4-cylinder. He got it. So if you guys want to go check that out, maybe cop one, and maybe you guys can see the difference, because I definitely do feel the difference. I will leave his link to his Instagram in the description below if you guys want to cop some or anything like that. And yeah, like I said, I definitely do feel a difference when I step on it. And I'm not gonna cap, I'm like, oh shit. And that's what the pedal commander off. Here, I'm gonna show you. Look, stepping on it. Look, instant. And as you guys know, if you step on it, it takes a while and then it goes. But like I just showed you, it was instant. And I was at like probably second gear, like with just my no paddle shifter using automatic mobile. But you guys feel me? Like I said, I'm telling you, it works. And I'm here and I'm testing it out for you guys. It works. So for the most part, everything's still intact. Everything's still good. We're solid here. Everything's chilling. And bro, yeah, I mean, it works. That's exactly why I wanted to see if my intake will pop out or anything. It's good. I made it fit, like I said, bro. I really made it fit. Yeah. I don't know. Look how close it is to the battery, bro. Like it's literally hitting the battery, but hopefully it doesn't like do anything to it. Doesn't cause any damage. I hope not. But yeah, guys, like I said, if you guys want to check out his stuff, his link will be in the description below. And I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. And if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are yet not subscribed. Show your boy some love. Guys, I tested it out. It was a successful product. I enjoyed it. It worked for me. And if you guys want to check one out, like I said, link in the description. And if you guys want to test it out for yourselves, share the video. And yeah, this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.